Okay, freehand is really tricky, and if you want to get a perfect sketch, the first thing you want to get right are the proportions. You want to get the proportions right. You want to put the nose where the nose is supposed to be. You don't want to put the nose where the mouth is supposed to be. And you know, it's supposed to make sense. So by that, we're gonna start by creating the basics. So draw like a straight line across the face. This is for the face, and then after that, we're gonna create a line where the eyes are gonna go, where the nose is gonna go, where the lips is gonna go, and where the chin is gonna go. This is gonna divide the face. This is gonna give us accurate proportions where the facial features should go, basically. And then after that, we're gonna break down these little points we've just created. We're gonna break them down into more shapes. So for the nose, we're gonna create a triangle for the nose. For the mouth, a rectangle. For the eyes, yeah, same thing. After you've blocked those, and basically from here it's simple, just keep going, and little by little keep adding those details. Like for the nose, we're gonna add the nostrils at this point. For the lips, we're gonna add those the shape of the lips. For the eyes, we're gonna add the pupils, the whatever. We're gonna just put it all together, and then it's as simple as that.
Eyes need a cup of blend, that's right. In the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track.
Erase all those guidelines we were working with. At this point, we're gonna delete them, and yeah, there you go. You got your perfect sketch. Subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Each and every day, I get lost in the words I say.